Hey guys, what's up? So making dinner. Today's a little different. We're not making HelloFresh. We did have some extra HelloFresh stuff. They sent us, I don't know, we ordered so much stuff, so I guess they thought we wanted extra stuff, so they sent us a bunch of extra stuff. So I'm going to be chopping up some carrots. I got some peppers, an onion, zucchini. We're going to make a nice vegetable blend. I'm going to put that in my smoker oven thing. It goes about 400 degrees. I'm going to mix it in with some oil, vegetable blend, and some garlic ranch. It makes a pretty good blend. It makes really good seasoning. So we're going to cook that up, and then we have some, I guess, what is that, like buttery chicken. We was watching the interwebs, and we found a new channel to follow. I'm not going to mention it because I'm not going to throw names out there, but they made a super awesome chicken, and we're going to try to make a copycat of that. So that's going to be pretty awesome. So I'm going to chop this stuff up because nobody wants to sit here and watch me chop up vegetables.
Well, while he's chopping, the topping for the chicken is a nice butter. They said they use an imported butter, an expensive butter, so I went and got Kerrygold, which is Irish butter. It's really, really good. This little thing costs about $4, so it's kind of expensive, but it tastes so good. And then we have some fresh parsley, and we add some smashed garlic into it. We have a garlic press, so we'll put the garlic and the parsley in the Kerrygold butter, and that goes on top of the chicken when it's almost done.
So we're going to walk you guys through all that process. So I hope you guys enjoy it because this is going to be something completely different, guys. So we'll see you here in a minute.
All right.
All right, guys. So let's bring this camera over here. So we have some red onions, green peppers. We have zucchini, little peppers, and carrots in there. I think that's it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these little mini sweet peppers, green peppers, or bell peppers, or whatever you guys grew up on. Got the vegetable blend. Got some oil, which we are actually going to use avocado oil. Add your seasonings in here. Don't be shy on them. Pretty much just like you're making chicken wings, and you just toss them in the bowl, and they're going to go into the vegetable grate here. I got here. The wife already oiled that up, so that can go into the oven or smoker. And we're going to do that, and then once we get the chicken going here, just get this cleaned up and set up for the chicken. And we'll come back for the chicken prep for the grill. All right, guys. Alright, you guys, so we got our vegetables going. We're going to start our chicken here, and we have 2 enormous pieces of chicken. I think it's like 3 pounds. I don't know, it's like holding a small child or kitten. Maybe a puppy, I don't know. Probably a bad reference to use. But because it's so thick, we are going to pound it out, and I'm going to cover it in oil, again, avocado oil, more, yummy. I already trimmed it too. When you get the chicken, you're going to want to trim it because you got all that nice, juicy, fat chickeniness.
Yeah, and that thick chicken, the juices are just going to shoot out of that plastic wrap and all over everything.
Yeah, and for argument's sake, you probably should have like a big Ziploc freezer bag. It'd probably work a lot more flawlessly. but I don't have those. I was supposed to grab some today at the store to do this, but I didn't, so I'm improvising by using plastic wrap. I got my meat mallet here. I'm going to use the flat side. I'm not going to use the rigid side because it'll just break through the plastic. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to start beating the chicken. She was going to say beat my meat, but I'm going to beat this chicken down. And then once it gets out...
Beat it down? What did it do to you?
It's a chicken and talks some shit, and I got to beat it down and put it in its place. So we're going to get it down to the size that we want it. And we're going to season it, get that going, and then we're going to get to our butter, and we'll get it on the grill, and we'll go from there, guys. So we'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, so we got our Kerrygold's naturally soft, pure Irish butter. And we're going to take it. I was hoping it was going to be a little bit more softer than this. So we're going to mix it. It's okay, I can soften it up just a little bit. It's probably enough, right?
Oh yeah. So look how yellow it is compared to just your standard store butter.
Yeah. So I'm going to just nuke this first, just so I can make it soft. You don't want the butter melted, by all means, at all. You don't want to, it's got to be still spreadable. We just, yeah. Alright, it's 12 seconds. That should do it right there. So, some pepper. Dash of salt. She's not big on salt, and I understand, you know, high blood pressure does that to you. Grab a knife. Got a knife. So we got fresh parsley here. Cut these stalks off, so nobody wants those. I'm just gonna dice up this parsley here. So in the video that I watched this on, he did make this look super easy to do, and it is easy. It is a little time consuming, you know. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys step by step what it is that they were, you know, doing in the video. So that's chopped. Let's put that in there. And my favorite part here. Now, guys, listen. And when I watched this video and I seen this guy have this thing, I was like, oh my god, I have to get one. These are compliments of Hello Fresh garlic, by the way. I have fresh garlic somewhere, but we're going to use the Hello Fresh garlic. But I did not know that this existed, okay? All these years I've been cooking, I didn't know this thing existed. That's just right there. Makes life so much better. Oh man, look at that. That is amazing. So amazing. Now they only use 1 cube of garlic in theirs. I'm gonna make sure I get all this garlic in there.
We like garlic.
Yeah, well, I'm not a huge garlic fiend.
I love garlic.
But if vampires were real, I can tell you right now, they'd stay away from my wife. Alright. So we got the garlic in there. So we kind of just mix this up. Go from there. So we're going to mix this up and get this chicken here on the grill. Yeah, look at that. Nice buttery paste. Probably could have chopped the parsley up just a little bit more.
Yeah, probably.
But you know, it's a learning process. You could use dry parsley. Personally, I wouldn't use dry parsley at all, just because it's dry parsley. I mean, fresh ingredients are always better. So we're going to set that down. Look at that, that looks amazing. And we're going to go outside. Oh, it's raining.
We just get in the pool instead for the hot tub.
Temperature of the grill is about 500.
There's our vegetables.
Check on those in a minute. Look at this. This chicken is ridiculous.
Looks like a flap.
Does look like a
Looks
flap.
like a giant flap.
I should put that side down first.
Definitely gotta make sure you wash those hands.
Oh yeah. Spread that out. So when we flip the chicken is when we put that butter on. But we gotta let the chicken do its thing. I'm gonna let it, sizzle here. Then I'll flip it at a 45-degree angle. I'm gonna give it that little cross hitch. But I have to wash these hands first. In the meantime, if you wanna check those veggies.
Look at those. Do you have a fork or something that you're stirring with out here?
No, not yet.
All right. They look delicious, though. We can probably just use this spoon. A little bit of butter. It's raining. And our golf cart's out in the yard.
Hey,
What?
what are you doing?
Just walking around.
And you're still filming. Shut the camera off. Alright guys, so I got my chicken out here. And I'm getting ready to flip it. I've already turned it 45-degree angle. What I got more oil out here. And I'm just going to baste the tops of the chicken. And what that's going to do is that's going to help it not stick to the grill. Also, maybe a little bit more flavor. Not a whole lot. You can use cooking spray on your grill. I don't have any. I don't use it a whole lot. So we're going to let these cook a couple more minutes. And we're going to close this. Let it cook a couple more minutes, and then we are going to flip it. And we're going to add our butter. And we're going to go over here and check on our vegetables after we're done recording it. Going?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, so I flipped the chicken. And get this butter here.
Yeah, if you recall, he put that butter on right before he took it off the grill.
He actually flipped it and just put the butter on there. I flipped it, let it cook some more because I don't trust all that. Let me put this butter on. Tiny guy here.
Where's the other half of that piece?
It just that's what happened. Okay.
Sure. That piece is too thick.
It'll be alright. You don't have to eat it. I will. Anyhow, you just smear it around. The butter is going to get a little hot there.
Well, I think you should save a little bit to smear on it as we plate it.
Oh, definitely. So, look at that. That's going to be delicious. That is going to be so good. Spread it around. Alright, I'm going to take that with you from there. I just stirred those up.
They look delicious.
They do look delicious. Alright, so I got this going. So the only thing right now to do is wait for it to be done. We have rice cooking right now. What it was
Cilantro lime.
cilantro lime rice. We didn't make that scratch. It was I think it's
The Xanaran's rice.
some Xanaran's rice, and we got some bird's eye microwavable white rice. We're just gonna mix the two up and put the veggies over the rice, some chicken over the rice, and then we have a little appetizer of some queso bites we'll have with it. So it's just like your regular home cooked meal. You got to get creative sometimes. So, you know, I got this cool ass grill. I'm pretty much, I guess my wife got it for me for Father's Day or my early anniversary. It's hard to say what she did, but it's an amazing grill so far. We've got the pellets over here, so this is technically smoking my vegetables. So that's an awesome plus too.
Yep, it's a smoker.
It holds 30 pounds of pellets. I think that's pretty cool.
And then down here there's a burner.
Yeah, which will be in another video. You know, you guys seen the steak video. You see that, you know, we talked about that. We got the piece to put on. So we're gonna let this cook anyhow. And guys, we're gonna have so many more videos to make this summer. I'm super stoked about grilling. So hopefully you guys enjoy the mixture of cooking, flipping, goodwilling, and just smorgasbord. We got some travels going on. It's gonna be great. So right now though, I'm gonna finish cooking this. She's gonna finish cooking that in there. And when it's all done, we'll get it plated up and we'll let you guys know how it tastes. You'll see the presentation. It's gonna be a sloppy presentation because I'm at home. I'm not like clean and nothing, but you guys get the picture. It's not your typical HelloFresh because we ain't doing HelloFresh. It's cooking the grill with Eric and Tiffany. All right, guys, we'll see you in a bit. Oh, I didn't realize she was still filming. All right, guys, so got the chicken out, and I'm just dicing it up here. Which I have to say, sample just a little bit, because it was really good. Like,
look at all that flavor.
Yeah, it's so good. So we got our white rice here. We're gonna put our chicken on our rice, and still gotta get the vegetables off. So we'll show you a little finished plate afterwards. But I just wanted to. Oh my god! Listen, you guys need to try to make this. It's super awesome. I mean, wow. Anyhow, so I'm gonna plate this up. I'm gonna get the vegetables going, and we'll be back. All right, guys. Oh, look, these guys. You guys are vultures. Anyhow, so here's the finished product. I got my rice. I got my chicken. Got my vegetables. We got our queso bites. Tiffany made some spicy ranch, and we're gonna dive in. So we're gonna eat this stuff here, and it's going to be tasty. I'm excited. Like, comment, subscribe below. If you guys enjoy these videos, please leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Friends and family, let me know what you guys think. Comment on the YouTube video. That helps myself and her, this person right here, out a lot, because we are trying to get our bad kitty. Damn cat's trying to jump on the table. We're trying to grow our channel. We're at 47. We need to hit 50 subscribers. Come on, 50. Woo! Let me know what you guys think. Again, like, comment, subscribe below, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey, I know I always do this. Anyhow, sorry. Should. But this turned out amazing. I mean,
only one side.
The recipe I got, I mean, this guy's really onto something. I'll probably start maybe supporting him a little bit, because he's a huge time channel, a lot bigger than mine, tens and thousands of people. You know, if I tell you to, hey, go see him, then you ain't gonna watch me, but that's okay. At this point, I think it's okay. I'm just gonna tell you, if you go to Sam the cooking guy, or whatever, I think that's his name, right? You gotta watch his channel. He is onto something amazing. Mad props to you, man. You are like I don't know. You're like a chef from heaven.
We're gonna make his meatballs next.
We're making your meatballs next. That's gonna be amazing. Anyhow, enough what I said. I hope you guys enjoy this video.